How to download WhatsApp on mobile phone. Hi guys, it's Mikrant from Tech Basis. Today I'm gonna guide you how to download WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Downloading WhatsApp on your mobile phone is quite easy. First, make sure that your device is connected to stable internet. Once it is, let's start. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Tap on the Google Play Store icon on your mobile device to open it. Step 2. Search for WhatsApp. In the search bar at the top, type WhatsApp and press enter or search. Step 3. Select WhatsApp app. From the search result, tap on the WhatsApp app. Step 4. Install. Tap on the install button to download and install the app on your device. WhatsApp is a messaging platform that allows users to send text message, voice message, images, videos, sticker and files to their contacts. Step 5. Open. Once the installation is complete, tap on the open button to launch the WhatsApp app, and here you go, your WhatsApp is downloaded. Now you can exchange text, photo, audio with others across the globe. If this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for future contents.